Our next program is we have to find factorial of a given number, right? So here also we have to do what? We have to take input from the user. What input we have to take? We have to take a number from the user. Let's start doing that. Int no, take it from the user. First we inform the user, enter a number, then scanf %d ampersand no. That is input part we have done. Now coming to the calculation part, what we have to do? Finding the factorial of whatever number user has given me. What is the factorial? For example, if I have 5 factorial, what's the value of it? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? Or can we write it 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5? Yes, we can write this way also. So calculation, if you do this way or this way, both are exactly same answer you will be getting and both will be correct. Fine. So let's start your for. Now see the calculation part and tell me from way to way you will be going into your for loop. For this case, first tell me. I will be starting from 1, will be going up to 5 in this case, right? And in this case, what we have? We have no. So we'll be starting from 1. The value of I will be initialized to 1, will be going up to what? No value, right? So I equals to 1, I is less than or equal to no, I plus plus. And here we have to calculate what? Here if you remember into last program, it was for summation. So we have taken sum equals to sum plus I, right? Here we are finding fact. So we will be taking fact, and according to the knowledge that we have from previous program, we will initialize it to 0. Fine. So we'll be writing fact equals to fact into I. Agree? Now see, there's a mistake into this. What will be the value of I for the first case? 1. 1 into what is the value of fact? 0. Anything into 0 will be what? 0. The final answer, even if the value of no is 100, 100 factorial will be 0 according to this. Why? Because the value of fact we have taken it as what? 0. So into last it was fine. Into like when you are going with summation it was fine, but when you are going with into it's not right to write 0 here. So what will be the value? It has to be what? 1. Instead of 0 we will be going with 1. So simple rule, remember, if you are doing summation you have to initialize the variable with what? 0, and if you're going with multiplication the value will be initialized to 1. Fine. So that's what we have done. Fact equals to 1 I have written. Now see, let me complete the program. Here we will close your for loop and printf. Finally we will be printing out of your for loop, will be writing this factorial equals to %d, print the value of what? Our variable whose name is what? Fact. Fine. And my main method close. Let's take one example and see the output, how it works. Output will be something like this. It will start the program, whatever there into the first printf statement will get printed, enter a number will get printed, and it will wait for input from the user. For example, same example we are taking, user has entered 5. The calculation will start here. It will iterate from where to where? 1 to, what is the value of 5? 1 to 5 will iterate and it will calculate this factorial. See, I equals to 1, 1 is less than or equal to 5, yes, condition satisfied, right hand side will get evaluated. What's the value of fact? 1. 1 into 1, answer will go into fact. So value of fact will be what? Value of fact will be 1. It will go back again. While going it will update me what you have, I plus plus you have written, the value of I will be incremented by 1, right? So the value of I becomes 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5, yes, condition is satisfied. It will go inside again, right hand side will get evaluated, the value of fact is 1 into the value of I is 2. So the calculation will be done 1 into 2, the new value of fact will become 2. It will go back again. While going the value of I will become 3 this time. It will go inside, right hand side will get evaluated, the value of fact is 2, the value of I right now is 3. So the calculation will be done. 2 into 3 is how much? 6. Fine. It will go back again. This time the value of I is how much? 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5, yes, condition is true. It will go inside again, right hand side will get evaluated, fact into I, 6 into 4 will be done, that is 24, right? And the new value of fact is now what? 24. It will go back again, for the last time. 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. It will come inside. 24 into 5 will be done. That is 120. It will go back again. See the condition now. What's the value of 5 becomes now? 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. Condition is false. It will come out of the loop and it will print factorial equals to the value of fact. What's the value of fact finally? It was 120. So factorial equals to 120 will get printed. Now, there was with 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, right? Now, what if I want to go with 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1? Both are absolutely correct. There's no difference between it. But I just want to do that way calculation. I want to go with like NO into NO minus 1, NO minus 2 likewise. If the value of NO is 5, I want to do calculation like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So, where will be the changes into my for loop? Changes will be here. Where you have to start from? I told you, first thing that you have to think is what? Where you have to start from. You have to start from I equals to NO. Agree? Where you have to stop. This is important. Now, where you have to stop? At 1 you have to stop. By mistake, if you write I is less than or equal to 0, that will be wrong. It will do all the calculation. Last mate will do what? N to 0. All the answer becomes 0. So be careful. I is greater than or equal to 1. And here we are decrementing. We are going from NO to NO minus 1, NO minus 2, right? So here it will be what? I minus minus instead of I plus plus. So this method will calculate how? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this way we'll calculate what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Both are absolutely correct. You can go with any method. Okay, so that was what? Factorial of a number in C. Thank you.